So the Bidjipidji school program is run for the first time this year, 2021, and it includes students from all around the Northern Territory, including Nhulunbuy, East Arnhem, Alice Springs, Katherine and Tiwi. We did an engagement process with Larrakia elders, and they suggested the word Bidjipidji for the program, because Bidjipidji is a Larrakia word for dragonfly, and dragonfly is a symbol of enlightenment and illumination. And that's what will happen when the students come to CDU for the first time, to get a sense of what's available at university. They visit many of the different colleges to get a better understanding of some of the facilities that we have. They meet the lecturers, they come to our Indigenous Student Support Service, and they get to really get a good understanding of what we have to offer. And hopefully they will come to CDU in the following years, because we have students that are here from years 10, 11 and 12. We have 35 Indigenous students at this year's program, and so we're looking to make it bigger and better next year. We're learning a lot from this year, lots of logistics and different, I think, activities and programs that we can do. So it is learning as we go along, but I think the real benefit, we're starting to see that in some of the students and in the way they're talking about university now. So university is a realistic option. So we're starting to change the narrative.